Our lesson for today is about problem solving involving operations of rational algebraic expressions. How do we solve word problem involving operation of rational algebraic expression? So after reading the problem, we will write the following steps. First is the given, second is the formula, third is the solution, and fourth is the answer. Example: 7 divided by the sum of a number and 2 is equal to half the difference of the number and 3. Find all such number. So what is the unknown? So the unknown is the number. X is the number, so the variable x will serve as the variable on the number. So we'll find x later on. And then for the formula, 7 over x plus 2 is equal to x minus 3 over 2. Why? Because 7 divided by, so 7 over the sum. The sum represents addition of a number. So the number is x, so x and 2, so plus 2, is equal to half. So half is 1/2, so 1 over 2, so over 2. The difference minus of the number, so the number is x and 3. Again, 7 divided by over by the sum of a number x and 2 plus 2 is equal to half, so 1/2 over 2. The difference minus of the number, so x and 3, x minus 3. This will be our formula in getting the variable x. So, solution first. Write the formula. 7 over x plus 2 is equal to x minus 3 over 2. And then we will apply cross multiplication. So we'll multiply 7 times 2. And then we will put that on the right side. 7 times 2. So I use parentheses in multiplying numbers. And then we will multiply x plus 2 and x minus 3. I will also use parentheses on multiplying them. And then after that, apply FOIL method and multiply 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is equal to 14, while x plus 2 times x minus 3. First, FOIL f x times x is equal to x squared. And then outside, so negative 3 times x is negative 3. Inner term, 2 times x is positive 2x. So we will combine like terms. Negative 3x plus 2x is equal to negative x. And then negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6. This is how we apply the FOIL method. And then after that, we will remove the parentheses. Again, we will remove the parentheses of x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 14. And then we will transpose 14 to the left side. We have x squared minus x minus 6, and then positive 14 will be negative 14. Since it is positive, so we will subtract 14 from the right side, subtract 14 from the left side. So 14 minus 14 on the right side is 0, and negative 14 will still exist on the left side. And after that, combine like terms. So we have x squared minus 6 minus 6 minus 14. So we combine negative 6 and negative 14. So it will be negative 20. And then after that, factor. So since it's a general trinomial where a is equal to 1, so we'll factor out x squared here by x times x and 20 by 5 times 4. Determine the sign. So we'll use negative 5 plus 4, so that if we multiply negative 5 times x and 4 times x, so it will be negative 5x plus 4x, the answer will be negative x. So this is the correct factored form. And after that, we will equate the binomials, so x minus 5 to 0. So x minus 5 equals 0, x plus 4 is equal to 0. And after that, we will solve for x. So we'll transpose again, negative 5 on the right side. So we'll add both sides, positive 5. So negative 5 plus positive 5 is 0. 0 plus positive 5 is equal to positive 5. So the answer, x is equal to 5. And positive 4, so we'll subtract both sides by negative 4. So positive 4 minus 4 is 0. So there will be no other constant here. So it will be x. And 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So the answers, the numbers are 5 and negative 4. Since the second sentence is looking for the numbers. So we write both numbers, 5 and negative 4. For our second example, we have if 4 is divided by a number is equal to 3 divided by the number decreased by 2, find the number. So the given x equals number. So x is the number, so we are looking for the number. So the number, so we represent x as the number. And then for the formula, we will have 4 over x is equal to 3 over x minus 2. Let's see. If 4 is divided, so 4 over, since it's divided by a number, so the number is x, is equal to 3 divided by, so over, a number, so x, decreased by 2 minus 2. Find the number. Again, 4 is divided by a number is equal to 3 divided by the number decreased by 2. So x minus 2. Then solution, first we write the formula. And then we will apply again the cross multiplication. So 4 times x minus 2 is 4 over parentheses x minus 2 is equal to 3 times x is equal to 3x. And then we will distribute 4 on parentheses. So 4 times x is 4x minus 4 times 2 is 8. So it will remain positive 3x on the right side. And after that, transpose. So negative 3x will be positive 3x. Or positive 3x will be negative 3x. And then negative 8 will be positive 8. Since we will add both sides by positive 8 to remove or make negative 8 0 on the left side. So negative 8 plus 8 0. So plus 8, positive 8 on the right side. So it will still remain. And the 3x minus negative 3x on both sides. So we'll have negative 3x on the left side and 0 on the right side. So it will become 4x minus 3x equals to 8. After transposing, we'll combine like terms. So 4x minus 3x is equal to x, which is equal to 8. So after getting the x, we'll write the answer. The number, so we're looking for the number, so the number is 8.